Hello, everybody, and what's up? If you want to check your hidden messages in Messenger, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's get started without any delay for that. So, in order to find hidden messages in Messenger, first of all, open up Messenger application on your device, and there are two methods you can check hidden messages. One of them is checking the archive chats, and you can also look for secret conversation, which has a lock screen. So for that, what you can do is for archive chat, once you open up the Messenger application, you can tap on the lines, three lines in the bottom right corner. So you can find the menu option and tap on it and once you find the menu, you can directly look out for different options in the given menu. All you gotta do is simply select the option called archive. Once you select the option called archive here, you will be finding all of the archived conversations. They all will be displayed here. So if you want to unhide it again, all you gotta do is basically tap and hold the conversation. And you can find the option called unarchive. So select it. And once you confirm it up, the archive chat will be empty and the hidden chat will be available on your main screen again. This is one of the method available. Or you can look out for secret conversations. So you can look out for the chat with a lock screen in it, lock icon in the main chat list, and alternatively, you can open up the chat with a person and tap on their name to the top. And from there, you can go to the option called Go to Secret Conversation if that option is available. In that way, you can check your hidden messages in your Messenger. So if you'd also like to go ahead and check your hidden messages in Messenger, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.